Recently, I was browsing Instagram Reels and noticed these AI-generated painting images kept popping up, so I checked them and noticed that most of these accounts started just a few months ago and already have hundreds of thousands of followers, with some of their posts getting millions of views. The crazy part is that they also sell these AI images for high prices. In this video, I will show you the entire process with proof of how they make thousands of dollars selling these images. Let's break it down into 4 key steps. Crafting the perfect prompt. Using the right AI tool to create the images, converting them into Reels, monetizing your images. Also, I'm going to show you the best marketplace where you can sell your images for significantly high prices. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss the valuable insights that could potentially make you $10,000 a month. The first and most important step is crafting the perfect prompt. If you've ever tried to generate images with AI, you know coming up with a perfect prompt to describe your vision can be challenging and time-consuming. I've created a massive library of over 30,000 prompts specifically designed for viral niches. You can check it out, but first you'll need to watch the video to learn how to use them effectively. Here is my prompt for the first example. Generate an image of a waterfall in the forest, with a powerful and serene presence and a sense of tranquility and renewal. Now that we have the prompt, the second step is to use AI tools to generate the images. First, we'll be using Leonardo AI. On the left side, click on Image Creation. Now I'll enter my prompt in the box. Then I'll go to Preset on the left menu and select Concept Art, as my prompt relates to nature. Next, I will choose the image dimension, click on More, and select Mobile 9:16. Now hit Generate. Here are the results. Next, I'll use Midjourney to create the images and compare the results. If you go to midjourney.com and sign up with your Google account, you'll land on this page. Sometimes they offer a free trial. If no free trial is available, paid plans start at $10 per month. Now I'll give the same prompt that I gave to Leonardo. If I click on this little icon, I can change the size of the image by moving the slider to the left or right. I want to turn the images into Reels later, so I select 9:16 and hit Enter. It's going to generate it right here under the Creative tab. You can see the images that Midjourney created are quite different from those created by Leonardo. These are more detailed and lifelike, and they match the description I gave them. What I am trying to say is that if you're serious about monetizing these images, as I'll show you how to do it later in this video, you should consider posting high-quality images to quickly grow your following and create a passive income stream. Now I'll go to my prompt library, copy another prompt, paste it here, and hit Enter. This one is an image of a lightning storm at sea. Here are the 4 images created. You can see the prompt on the right side of the page. Many of the Instagram accounts that I showed you earlier use Midjourney to generate their images. If you would like to see more prompts from the library, I'll be sharing more examples from various categories at the end of the video and creating more images based on those prompts. For now, I'll move on to the next step, which is turning the images into Reels. One of the best tools that I love using is Luma AI. It's so powerful and also free to use. Just sign in with your Google account and you're gonna see this interface. Here you can upload your image. I am going to upload one of the images we've created earlier. Here is the result. It's only a 5-second clip. I will show you in a minute how to make it longer. I'll upload another image from our earlier creations. Here is the result. It turned the image into an actual waterfall, and to make it even more realistic, it added some birds flying around to give it a more natural feel. But there is a watermark in the top right corner. To remove it, I'll just go to Canva and upload the image. I'll drag the corners and resize it to remove the watermark, and then download it. Another tool that you can use to turn the images into animation is Immersity AI. It used to be called Leapix, but they rebranded to Immersity AI. After you sign in, you're going to see this interface. Upload the image that you've created in the previous step. It starts processing the image. The animation is ready. Don't worry about the watermark, it will disappear when you download it. Do you want it to move horizontally, vertically, or in a circle, or apply zoom effects? You can play around with different animation styles to find the perfect look that suits your image. When your animation is ready, click on Export. It takes a few seconds to generate the video. Import your video into CapCut and drag it onto the timeline. Duplicate the clip as many times as needed to get a longer clip. I accidentally imported the one that has a watermark, so if I drag the corner, I can adjust it to remove the watermark. This is another way to remove it. Now I hold Control and select both clips. I'll go to the right menu and increase the speed. You can apply transitions to connect the clips smoothly. I'll search for dissolve transitions and drag it between clips. You can play with the duration of the transition to see which duration looks better. Once you're happy with the result, you can click on Export to download it. Now, how to make money with these images. If you look at the link in their bio, they all have a link that leads to online shops where they sell the images. Let's look at this one. He is selling AI-generated images as wallpapers, with over 1,800 sales so far. Prices range from $2 to $4, averaging $3. which totals over $5,400 in sales so far. They also have another shop to sell metal posters. There is a marketplace called Displate to sell digital art. It has over 5 million visitors per month. It's a great place for beginners to sell AI images. There are a variety of categories like animals, nature, landscapes, and many more subcategories. Let's take a look at the nature category. Here is an image very similar to the one we've created earlier. If I click on it, it takes me to the sales page. You can see the price is $49, and if a customer wants to add a frame, the price will go up, and if they order a bigger size, the price will go up again. The way this works is that you create an image with AI and upload it on Displate. When someone buys your art, Displate will print your image on a metal poster, package it, and ship it. You don't need to do anything. The customer receives their order, which includes a high-quality metal poster with your artwork ready to hang. This can be a great way to make extra income if you regularly create and upload images on Displate. It's a great place for beginner sellers. It's not as crowded as Etsy or other marketplaces. If you want to create eye-catching images but aren't sure how to write the perfect prompt, this prompt library will help you make stunning art. You can even set up multiple Instagram accounts in different niches and start selling your AI images. I've added a link to the prompt library in the description. Feel free to check it out if you're interested. There are over 3,300 prompts just in the painting category. Here are a couple of examples. I copy a prompt from the library and place it into Midjourney. I select the image size 1 by 1 for an Instagram post and keep the version on 5.2. It starts creating under the Creation tab. Here are the 4 images. As you can see, they're high resolution and clear. I'll copy another prompt and paste it here. I recommend using Midjourney over Leonardo if you are serious about creating high-quality images and sell them. I'll try one more. You can also replace some of the words in the prompts to create more variations. For example, replace the word dolphin with another animal sea and generate 4 more images. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, take care.